Welcome to the homecoming episode. I'm Justin Lopez, and this is KRHS TV News. Woo! We started the homecoming weekend with an annual Powderpuff game, where the senior girls take on the juniors. Here are the highlights.
The final score is 15-14. The seniors take the close game win over the juniors.
So yeah, so right now we're kind of just chilling, getting everything set up, make sure everything's going good, and we're gonna have a good time. You know, it's a Friday. What more you can ask for?
Welcome to Homecoming 2018!
What's a homecoming without a parade? Watch as we celebrate as a RITENOUR community. It's game time. Let's watch the Varsity Huskies host the Webster Grove Statesmen.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to your 2018 homecoming.
Tonight's theme is Gotham Night Lights. I'm your host, Justin Lopez.
And I'm Tiara Waters. Cool. So what inspires your look for tonight?
Comfort. Comfort was key. I've been here since 6:30 this morning, ran home for a quick shower, whatever I could throw on that would be cute and comfortable.
So it seemed like you had a pretty busy day. So how do you How did you like balance everything for tonight?
I just get plenty of rest throughout the week, and then tomorrow I'll sleep all day.
And what are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing my Jordans, my chain, my all black because I'm up in Gotham City tonight.
Okay, yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
And what
You look fine.
Oh, thank.
He might be dressed up as the Joker, but he ain't no joke. Tell me about the suit, man.
I was just trying to make something look a little funny.
What inspired my look was Fashion Nova.
Some at Fashion Nova.
I could buy designer, but this Fashion Nova fit.
Yep, so I went to Windsor and I picked out like 100 dresses and picked one and then boom.
Rainbow. Okay.
Girl, I'm wearing something from the Galleria, not Macy's.
Now, what inspired your look tonight?
I thought Gotham. Don't be too obvious, don't be too much. Let's see, Two-Face. You want to bet for it?
Okay, what are you looking forward to tonight?
The music.
Okay. How do you feel about this being our last homecoming?
Man, it's a little sad. It's like bittersweet, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I got to go.
So what are you wearing tonight?
Baby, I'm wearing this velvet dress, you know what I'm saying? Got my little sash, you know, I got my little spark, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, so this is our last homecoming. How you feel about that?
Man, I'm hyped. You can see how I'm dressed up, you know.
Shining. What inspires your look for tonight?
It's my last homecoming, so, I got to step out and surprise,
And what are you looking forward to tonight?
I'm just looking forward to have fun and to have the time of my life for my last homecoming with my friends.
Well, that's our show. For more news, you can follow us at RITENOURlive.org or at KRHS Media on Instagram or Twitter. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
A KRHS Media production.